Ready to share your voice with the world. Discover how to effortlessly create a sign block website on Wix. No coding skills required, just your creativity. Let's turn your ideas into a beautiful online presence today. So hello guys and welcome in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a blog website in Wix.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into Wix.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So Wix is an intuitive website builder perfect for creating your own blog. With its drag and drop interface, you can easily customize your site without any coding skills. Choose from a wide range of professional templates to showcase your content. Whether you are sharing personal stories or expert insights, Wix helps you engage your audience effectively. Start your blogging journey with Wix and bring your ideas to life. So watch this video until the end and start following the steps, and for sure you will achieve your goal, which is creating a blog website in Wix.com. So first of all, let's just scroll down and you will find here how to create a website for free. I'll just follow the 6 simple steps to create a website today. So the first step, which is choose a platform. Second one, which is start creating. The third one, customize your website. Then optimize for search engines, publish website, and the last one, which is promote and drive traffic. So you have just to click over get started. And once you click over like get started, you will find this page. You have just to write your email address, confirm your email, choose a password. So by the way, the password must have at least 6 characters. It's better to have upper and lower case letter symbols along with password. Then you confirm the password and you click over sign up. Once you do that, you will find this page. So here we have it. Right now we have just to create a new site, or you click over create a new folder. So let's click over create a new site and you will find this page. Here we have what type of website do we want to create. We have just to answer this question and you click over continue. For example, select blog coming soon, mindfulness blog, life blog, entertainment blog, technology blog, motivational blog. So choose the one you want. Then you click over continue and you will find this page. So this is the dashboard, right? So you have firstly to follow the steps. So let's set up your blog. First one, which is connect a custom. So update your blog tab. So it's done. This is it. Then connect a custom domain. Find your perfect domain and secure it in a few clicks. Then write your first blog post. Design your website. Get found on Google as well. So you have just right now to go to the top right and you click over design your site and you will find this page. How would you like to design your website? So firstly you have to click over customize a template as a choice. Firstly browse thousands of designs, then pick one to customize. You click over pick a template, or you choose the second choice, which is generate a design with EA. Get personalized site design in seconds. You click over generate a design and you get started. So I will click over the first one and I will find this page as you can see. Alright, right now we have just searched for the template that you want, or you can just get started by selecting the one you want, such as here we have business. I have various examples here. Then we have here health and wellness, beauty and hair, fashion and style, travel and tourism. Then we have here restaurant and food, one page, and professional CV as well. Then we have here the second one, which is store, such as e-commerce like fashion and clothing, arts and crafts, beauty and wellness, sports and outdoors, kids also. Then we have here creative also, such as photography, music, portfolio and CV, design, creative arts, and video. Then we have here community, like education, events, and communities. Then we have blog, such as personal blog, food travel, here we have it, news and business, arts, fashion and beauty, sports and wellness, and podcast as well. Alright, right now you have just to select the template that you want. For example, I will select this one, and we have here a various templates. If you don't like this one, you have just to go to the second page, third page, the fourth page, the fifth page, and the last page. Then you choose the template that you like. Then you click over the one you want and you click over edit. Once you do that, you will find the other page, which is this one. So alright, here we have it. So firstly, let's click over home here and let's click over manage pages. So here you have it. You have just to delete all these pages and you add pages of your website, because it's your own website and you have to publish it under Google and share it with your friends. You have to select yours. So let's add a page. All right, and you have just to delete all these pages. Also, we have here this option of blog posts, such as blog and posts. Alright, then we have here if you want to add elements such as text, like we have here temp text, titles, paragraphs, collapse, highball, text mark, text mask. Then we have here image, upload and import. And if you want free from Wix, free Wix illustrations, and we have logo also. Then here we have button if you want, like text and icon buttons, image buttons, document, items, Wix chat. Then we have here Stripe. Alright, we have here Stripe, such as classic, featured, about, services, contact, welcome, testimonial, and team. Then we have decorative, lines, shapes, arrows, have your picture, video, and here we have also box, gallery, menu and insert, contacts and forms, video and music, interactive, list, embed code, social, payments, CMS, and we have also blog, store, bookings, events, and here we have it. Also, we have here other options, which is color of the background of the theme, text theme, and we have page transitions as well. Then here we have also the settings. We have here Wix App Market. We have also here media. If you want to upload something, your media, photo studio, video maker as well. Then here we have the last one, which is CMS. So Wix empowers you to create a captivating blog website with ease and creativity. Its user-friendly tools and diverse templates make it accessible for anyone, regardless of technical expertise. So by choosing Wix, you can focus on what truly matters, sharing your voice and connecting with your audience. Start building your blog today and watch your ideas come to life. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video. So we have just to follow the steps that I already mentioned and you get started. So here we have it. Now just to choose the platform, start creating, customize your website, then optimize for search engines, publish your website, and then the last one, which is promote and drive traffic. So you click over get started and you get started with that. Or you can just read all this information before getting started to more understand. So that's it for this video. See you again in the next video, guys.